Hey folks, this lesson is on circumference and area of circles. I'm doing this in my 6th period class. Say hi, everybody. Hi. All right, so here's our common core question. So how can we use the formulas for area and circumference of a circle? This goes pretty fast, you guys. So circumference of a circle is either 2 pi r or pi times diameter, whether they give you the radius or the diameter right there, okay? So, and what happens is if this was a piece of string, I was talking to Michaela about this, if this was a piece of string in here, this string would wrap around this circle a little bit more than 3 times, which is pi, 3.14. Okay, the area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, so let's do this here. So find the circumference and area of each circle. Give both exact answers and rounded answers to the nearest tenth. Use 3.14 for pi on the rounded answers. Okay, so here I'm going to give you the radius is 11 centimeters. Okay, so we do 2 pi r for the circumference and then pi r squared. So here's 2 pi r. 2 times 11 is 22. So 22 pi is one answer, and then we put 3.14 in there, and you get 22 times 3.14 is 69.1. Okay, and circumference is always in units. So this is centimeters, so it's 22 centimeters, it's 69.1 centimeters. Area is always in square units. And when I see you guys next year in IM3, we're going to be doing volume. That's going to be in cubic units. All right, so pi r squared, we square 11, 121 pi, that's centimeters squared is the area, and then put in 3.14 and you get that. Okay, how about this? They give you the diameter. Okay, now I'm doing both of them right here. The diameter is 14.2. If you take half of it, 7.1. Now the formula, there's two formulas, whether it was 2 pi r or pi times d. I'm going to use pi times d because they give me the diameter. So we just plug in 14.2 next to the pi. Okay, and then we do that times 3.14, and we get that right there. Now, the area formula, we absolutely have to have the radius, so that's why I did this right here, 7.1. So 7.1 squared is 50.4. Pi inches squared, area is always in inches squared, and then multiply that by 3.14, and you get that. All right, so here, circumference of a tree is 20 feet. What is the diameter of the tree to the nearest tenth? So there's our circumference formula. So circumference equals pi times d. So we do the opposite. We get the d by itself by dividing both sides by pi. So that's where I get c divided by p, or by pi, sorry. Anyways, so I'm going to plug in 20 right here. I'm going to plug in 3.1 right there. Okay, and we get that, and so 20 divided by 3.14 is 6.4 feet. And if you want to know the radius, like Madeline did, we divide that by 2 and get 3.2 feet. All right, now if you're in my class, that's going to be your assignment. And Sophia, what'd you say about this? This is in inches? Okay, so the book made lots of errors on this, so this should be 150.7 inches, okay? And if you can see, I changed these answers because the book made a bunch of errors on that. All right, you guys, I hope that makes sense, and take care.